What is uninsured property damage car insurance? Have you ever thought about what happens if you get into an accident with someone who doesn't have insurance? This is where uninsured property damage car insurance comes into play. It is a type of car insurance that helps pay for repairs to your vehicle if it is damaged by a driver who does not have insurance or does not have enough insurance to cover the damage. This coverage can be a lifesaver, especially for new drivers like teenagers who are just starting to navigate the roads. So, how does it work? If you are in an accident and the other driver is at fault but does not have insurance, your uninsured property damage coverage can help cover the costs to fix your car. Without this coverage, you could be stuck paying for those repairs out of your own pocket, which can be a huge financial burden. Now, let's talk about how this differs from collision coverage. Collision coverage pays for damage to your car regardless of who is at fault. However, it usually comes with a higher cost and often has a deductible, which is the amount you pay before the insurance kicks in. Uninsured property damage coverage specifically addresses damage caused by uninsured or underinsured drivers and may have lower or no deductibles depending on your state. Another important point is that uninsured property damage coverage can sometimes help with hit-and-run situations. If another driver leaves the scene without providing their insurance information, this coverage may help cover your damages. However, the rules about this can vary by state, so it is wise to check your local laws. For teenagers, having this type of coverage is especially important. As new drivers, you might find yourselves in unexpected situations on the road. Not all drivers carry proper insurance, and having uninsured property damage coverage can provide peace of mind. It acts as a safety net, helping to prevent financial stress if you are involved in an accident with someone who is uninsured. It is also essential to know that state rules about this coverage can differ. Some states requiring drivers to carry uninsured property damage coverage, while others offer it as an option. Therefore, it is a good idea to check your state's regulations and discuss your options with your insurance agent. When you are choosing car insurance, consider including uninsured property damage coverage if your budget allows. It can save you money and hassle if you find yourself in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured driver. Make sure to understand your policy's limits and whether there is a deductible for this coverage. In summary, uninsured property damage car insurance is a helpful protection that covers damage to your car caused by drivers who lack sufficient insurance. For teen drivers learning responsible car ownership, it is a useful coverage to consider because it reduces financial risks from accidents involving uninsured motorists.